This video is a tutorial on how to receive a barcode from Dropshipzone and how to apply it to a Shopify listing. So to start off with, you want to go to My Account. From here you want to scroll down and go to Download SKU. Now, there is a general product SKU list, but I prefer to use the Shopify format. They are different because you can upload them based on the platform you're using, but for this particular task we're just looking at it, and I prefer the layout of this one. Just wait for it to load. So this document will present all the products on Dropshipzone and all of their different details. So to make it easier for ourselves, waiting. Very large file. Okay, so to make it easy for ourselves, we want to get these and just close them off a little bit there. So what we want for the barcode is this one. So open it up just to help you identify it. So if we go to open up this product, right, we can see in here we've got the product and we've got the SKU. So you can copy it down here, you can copy up here as well, but this is easier. Now go Control F, Control V and press find. It will now search it and find it. I like to press it a second time so it goes to there. And then you just want to open that, copy it, go on to the Shopify listing for the product, go to barcode and paste it in like that. As easy as that. There is not much else to it. And then for products with variants, if you do have one, you do a very similar thing, but you just search each of the individual products up and put that barcode into the individual product.